How to test Proxy-N-VPN Private proxies in Linux command line interface. You can easily use Proxy-N-VPN's private or shared proxies within the Linux CLI using any command line tool you want. Please check these instructions on how to use curl and wget to send HTTP requests using their private or shared proxies. Before you issue the requests, make sure your server IP address is authorized in our control panel. 1. Get the server public IP address by using the following command. $curl https://whatismyipaddress.com 2. Under the account control panel, make sure that the server's public IP address we got in step 1 above is authenticated to use the proxies. 3. Here are the commands for wget and curl respectively to issue requests using a proxy. $uget_proxy equals yes http_proxy equals 127.0.0.1:8800 $curl x http://127.0.0.1:8800 ihttps://whatismyipaddress.com Note: we need to change 127.0.0.1:8800 with the proxy IP and port you have been assigned in your Proxy-N-VPN account control panel, aka clients area.